happening.
The exact same way we came up last time.
Yeah.
Look, Journey, blueberry flowers. See, these are blueberry flowers. What'd you find? Mushrooms. Yeah, don't eat those ones. You'll be really sick. Yeah, we're gonna go in here. This tangly mess. A little tool. Look for. What are we looking for? Pink lady slippers. Look, cow's tongue. Whole bunch of it. Cow's tongue. Let's eat some. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, I grab you this one. Don't eat the flower part. Get your slime all over your shirt.
Oh, I want this one.
Yeah, it's kind of late. They don't taste as good as springtime. Start of summer. Ow. Hi, we're in the woods, Journey. We're walking in the forest. We're walking in the forest. We're not afraid. So we sang last time. I think I found one already. I found one. I found one. Just keep going. I see one. I see a pink lady slipper. I'll show you. There's a deer trail. There isn't this one. We're on a deer trail. Okay, now go left. Yeah. That didn't take us long.
Huh?
That didn't take us long. A pink lady slipper. Okay, stop. Look around. There's two here I can see. Can you spot them yet? No?
I kept seeing pink.
Look at this. Journey?
That?
The pink lady slipper.
A pink lady slipper?
Yeah?
Dad, that's for you.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Want me to pick it for you?
No.
Till you done doing that?
Now think about a pink lady slipper. Look, last year's one. This is what last year's one looked like. Think about a pink lady slipper. There's a certain fungus that is in here, in the ground.
Bugs.
And this only grows too?
Am I just?
You know how old this plant is? It's older than you. No, you're 5.
That's 5.
And this plant is about 13 years old.
This is 5.
Yeah, no, it's older than that. It's about 16 years old. Yeah, a pink lady slipper. We found one. Yeah, we could. Except flies are getting at me. Pink lady slippers. These plants, these flowers, are probably about 11 to 16 years old. They gotta meet the right requirements in order to grow. See right under here, and under all this, there's a certain type of fungus that is growing. And it needs that to germinate the seed. When a bee climbs in there, it'll go in there and get stuck. There's a little bit of pollen and all that stuff. It'll come out, maybe go to the other one, pollinate that, and that. Go in there and they'll come out through here or something like that. Which is rare. A bee has to go in. And then when they do so, they pollinate the flower. Then little tiny seeds come out of here. They open up. They're very small, and they got to be blown into the wind somewhere. Maybe like that one over there. See the flower? That's a lady slipper stem, like that. It takes a long time to germinate and turn into this beautiful flower. Yeah, so this plant is probably roughly about 11 to 16 years old since it was seed and it germinated and started growing. In order to do that, underneath all that, there's a certain type of fungus that's growing, and it needs that to survive. Thank you. Well, this concludes our trip looking for the elusive lady slipper. Oh, wow.
I'll throw it down for you.
You're going to throw it down?
After you.
Me? Okay.
Because you want to.
All right, well, let's throw it down. And we're out looking for lady slippers. Well, we found a rare one.
Dad, I found a much bigger one over here. Come help me get out. Oh,
Yeah, we found lady slippers, pink lady slippers, and one rare white one. All right.
Big rock.
And a big rock, trip complete. All right, Journey.
That was far.
Oh, yeah, you got it right at the plant. The strong little girl you are. I wonder if this one, you're going to break it?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Well, where's it going?
Did it broke?
Yeah, it broke. I see the two pieces. Oh, millions of pieces. Oh, my goodness, Journey, it broke. It broke, Journey. Huh. Oh, let's throw this one down. I want to see that one.
Okay, let's do this down.
Let's do this.
Look.
It broke. It crumbled.